everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do exercise 5.2. First question is fill in the blanks in the following table given A as the first term, D is the common difference and AN is the nth term. So according to question we will use the formula AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D to solve the respective parts. For the first part, A is 7, D is 3 and N is 8. So after applying the formula AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D, we will get 7 plus 7 into 3 which is 28. So 8th term of this AP would be 28. In the second part we are given A, N and AN. We have to find common difference D. Again we will use the same formula and after solving we will get D as 2. In the third part we are asked to find A. D, N and AN are given. So after substituting the values of all the given quantities in the equation A plus N minus 1 into D equal AN, we will get the value of A which is 46. Similarly in the fourth and fifth part also you can see we can use the same formula for getting the required variable whichever is asked N or AN. In the second question, it's a MCQ and we are asked to choose the correct answer and justify. So the first part is 30th term of AP 1074 is we are asked to find 30th term which is A30. According to the formula for AN it would be A plus 29D. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3 it would be 10 minus 87 which is minus 77. So option C is the correct answer for this. In the second part we are asked to find the 11th term of AP minus 3, minus 1 upon 2, 2 and so on. A11 we are asked to find, so A is minus 3, D is 5 by 2 and we will get A11 as 22. So option B is the correct answer. In the third question we have to find the missing terms. So again we will use the same formula A plus N minus 1 into D. A is given, A3 is given in the first part. So we will use the formula AN for the third term. A plus 2D equal 26 and we will get D as 12. So second term would be A plus D. So second term is 14. In the second part we are asked to find the first term and the third term. Second term and fourth term are given, so we will substitute the value on the same formula A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus D is equal to 13 is the equation for the second term and A plus 3D is equal to 3 is equation for the fourth term. And after solving these both equations we will get D as minus 5 and A as 18. So the first term is 18 and the third term would be A plus 2D which is 8. So rest of the parts you can do, you can try yourself, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section. Next question, question number 4. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13 is 78? We have to tell 78 is which term of this AP. So A is 3, D is 5 and AN is 78. So A plus N minus 1 into D is 78 and after solving this we will get N as 16. So 78 is the 16th term of the AP. Next question, find the number of terms. We have to find N in this question. So the second part is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and so on up to minus 4. A would be 18 for this part, D is minus 5 by 2 and N is, we are required to find N and AN is minus 47. So after using the formula for an, we will get value of n as 27. So there are 27 terms in this AP. Next question is sixth question. We have to check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11852. To be a term of an AP, it is necessary that the n should be a whole number for that particular term. It should not be a fraction, or we should not get n in a decimal. If we are getting n as fraction, decimal, or some other integer or anything, then it is not a part of that AP. So for this AP, we will have A as 11 and D as minus 3, and we will put minus 150 as an, and after solving we will get n as 164 by 3, which is a fraction. It is not a whole number. So minus 150 is not the term of AP. Seventh question. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So two terms of AP are given. So we can form two linear equations by using the formula of AN for this particular question, and after solving those two equations we will get value of A and D. For solving this equation you can use any of the method which we had studied in chapter 3, and after that you will get the both variables A as minus 32 and D as 7. After substituting its value in A 31, we will get 31st term of AP as 178. Eighth question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here n, we are given with n. We have the third term and we have the last term, which is 50th term. So we have to find 29th term. We will frame two equations from the given terms, and we will get value of A and D. D is 2 here and A is 8. A29 is A plus 28D. So we will get value of A29 as 64. So 29 term of this AP is 64. In the ninth question, if the third and the ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So we will take an as 0, and we have to tell that what is n for 0. So again we will frame two equations for the given terms, and we will solve them, and we will get D as minus 2 and A as 8, and A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0, and after solving this we will get n as 5. So 0 is the fifth term of this AP. Next question is question number 10. In this question, the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. We have to find the common difference. So basically they are saying that A17 minus A10 is 7. So we will substitute the equation for A17, which is A plus 16D, and A plus 9D is for A10, and we will get value of D as 1. So the common difference is 1. 11th question is, which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than 54th term? So let us take that required term as an, and the condition given is A54 plus 132 is an. So A plus 53D plus 132 is A plus n minus 1 into D, and after solving this we will get value of n as 65. So 65th term is the required one. Question number 12. Two APs have same common difference, and the difference between their 100 term is 100. So what is the difference between their 1000 term? So we will take small a and capital A as the first term of two APs and D as the common difference. And A100 minus A100 is 100, means the difference between 100 term of both AP is 100. So we will put the equation for the required terms, and we will get difference between their first terms, A minus A as 100. Now to find the difference between 1000 term of both APs, we will again put the equation A plus 999D minus A minus 999D, and again we will get the same thing, A minus capital A. So which is 100 from the first equation. So the difference between 1000 term would be 100. 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So 3-digit number, so the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105, and the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. You can get these both numbers by simple calculating the terms, and then we will get the APS 105, 112, 119 and so on. So A is 105, D is 7 and AN is 994. So we will find N for the given question, and we will get how many terms are there. So by solving this, we will get N as 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. 14th question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So the AP would be 12, 16, 20 up to 248. Again we will find N using the same formula, A plus N minus 1 into D, and we will get N as 60. So there are 60 multiples of 4 which lie between 10 to 250. Next question, question number 15. In this question we are given with two APs, and we have to tell for what value of N are the nth term of these two APs are equal. So we will find AN for both the APs and we will equate them. So AP1 is 63, 65, 67 and AP2 is 3, 10, 17. So nth term of AP1 would be 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, and nth term of AP2 would be 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So after solving this, we will get n as 13. So we can say that 13th term of both APs are equal. 16th question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So third term is 16. So A plus 2D is 16 and A7 minus A5 is 12. Here by solving this thing we will get D as 6, and after substituting it in the first equation A plus 2D equals 16, we will get A as 4. So the AP is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. 17th question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 up to 253. So the last term is given and we have to count the term from last. So in this type of question, you can do it by reversing the AP. We will take D as negative, or if D is negative, we will take the D as positive. In this particular case, D was positive 5. So we will take D as negative 5 and A is 253. So 20th term would be 253 plus 19 into minus 5, which is 158. So the 20th term from last term is 158. 18th question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of AP is 24 and sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. We have to find first three terms of AP. So we will get two equations from this. After adding A4 and A8, we will get an equation which is 2A plus 10D equal 24. And after adding 6th and 10th term of AP, we will get equation 2A plus 14D equal 44. This is the second equation. We will subtract both equations and we will get D as 5 and A as minus 13. So the first three terms of AP are minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. 19th question is, Shubha Rao started work in 1995 as an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income become 7,000? So the salary for the first year, which is 1995, is rupees 5,000. Salary for the second year, which is 1996, would be 5,200. So the AP would be 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 up to 7,000. So AN is 7,000. We have to find N for this value 7,000 and we will get N as 11. So in the 11th year from 1995, which is year 2005. So in the year 2005, his salary would be rupees 7,000. 20th question. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find N. So A is 5, D is 1.75 rupees and AN is rupees 20.75. We will find N by using the formula for AN and we will get N as 10. Hence in the 10th week Ramkali's saving would be rupees 20.75. So we are done with this exercise 5.2 of AP. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.